Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful lamp for Diwali decoration. For this we need different shades of 3mm quilling strips, scissor, quilling tool, tweezer, paint brush, quilling mold, liquid glue, golden acrylic color and pink roses. These are artificial roses made using paper. For decoration of the base of tea light holder, I have prepared these tight coils. This purple, green, golden and yellow tight coils are made using half strip. I will show you how to make these tight coils. For this I have attached 1/16 blue, 1/8 lemon, 1/8 baby pink and 1/8 red color strip. Need 46 yellow, 40 purple, 40 green, 20 golden color and 100 these type of tight coils. So here I have made some diyas. These diyas are made for decoration of base and these diyas for decoration of lamp. So I will show you how to make diya. For this I have connected 3 brown and 2 yellow strips of 3mm alternatively. After completion, tight coil look like this. Using my quilling mold, I am going to shape this tight coil to dome shape. Apply glue and spread it using brush. I am going to pinch this dome at one side, so it will look like diya. Now I am going to attach this cotton wick inside this diya. Now I am going to connect this yellow color tight leaf shape on the tip of this wick. So our diya is ready. Keep it aside for drying. For base decoration we need 10 diyas and for lamp decoration we need 8 diyas. I have prepared this base using thick cardboard sheet and painted it using blue, yellow and orange acrylic color. Now I am going to decorate it. Similarly, I am going to attach diyas and these tight coils on all sides. After arranging diyas and all coils, our base looks like this. I have attached a yellow tight coil at each corner and also I have attached these white roses in between each diya. First I am going to attach yellow tight coils. Now I am going to attach green and purple tight coils. Now I will arrange the second row of purple and green tight coils. And after adding 2 rows, it will look like this. Now I am starting with making lamp. I have prepared this dome using 20 strips of 3 mm golden color. Now I am going to attach it at the center of this base. I have taken this golden strip. Now I am going to roll it and making a pipe shape. Now I am going to attach this pipe on this dome shape. I have prepared this mango shape using half strip of golden 3 mm. So I will show you how to make this. First I will going to make a tight coil. Loose it. Apply glue. Secure the end properly and make a teardrop shape. Then by using tweezer bend this corner. Then you will get mango shape. Now I am going to attach this mango shape on this dome. After adding mango shape, it will look so beautiful. Then I am going to attach tight coils at base. I have already prepared this dome using 15 strips of golden 3mm. I am going to attach these diyas which I have prepared earlier to this dome shape. I am going to attach diyas like this. After attaching all diyas to this dome shape, it will look like this. I have made this pipe using the same procedure which I used earlier. Here I have attached some mango shapes. I have attached this tight coil So this tight coil is made using 15 strips of golden color. Then I have attached small pipe on this tight coil, and to fill this gap I have attached some small tight coils here and some bended leaf shape here. And here I have also created this very beautiful peacock. Now I am going to attach all these structures to this base. Before adding these structures to the base, I am going to add these artificial pink roses in this portion. Now I am going to add these diyas on base. Then I am going to stick this pipe inside this stove. Like this. Now I am going to attach this peacock on this pipe. Hold it for some time. So our beautiful lamp for decoration of upcoming Diwali festival is ready.